Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and we have a 2-layer cake. Our first layer is our routines. There are 5 of them. The 2-in-1 routine of your routine and then your children's, your paper routine and laundry routine, your after dinner routine, and your before bed routine with your children. Okay, that's 2-in-1 as well. The second layer today is our free day. So that's the second layer. Now, if you're working, you're going to do your morning routines and leave the house. When you come home, you're going to put in your laundry, do your paper, and then go straight to inspecting what you expect, do your clutter check before you leave, do your clutter check when you get home. And then if you have elected to do the weekly home blessing hour yourself and you're putting it in spots, doing it in pieces, you're going to do a piece of that 10 minutes. But that's it. You're not going to be doing any zone work today. This is it. It's free day. So this is a simple day. It's a good day. It's an important day. You need to take care of yourself. To learn to love yourself, you need to think about what you're doing for yourself. Make decisions based on what would be best for you, not just for everyone else, also for you. Make decisions on what you like, not just what everyone else likes, but you as well. So don't put yourself last. Now, you are definitely not the queen. You are the mother. That's different. So there are times when you're going to take less than in order that your family can have a little more than, but not always. You are not always at the bottom. You are not always at the middle. You are not always at the top. However, it is important that you love yourself. How can you not love yourself? If you don't love yourself, how do you expect anyone else to love you? If you don't take care of yourself, how can you expect anyone else to want to take care of you? Okay, so that's it for today. Always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner and always remember that you are beautiful.